All right, language explorers, let's look at this Thursday's adverb. So down, down, to a lower place, level or ground, ground, to a lower amount of something, a loudness or activity. I will go down there soon. We should go down here. Should go down this route. Will you go down that path? Go down that path. I will go down there now. I won't go down here. She will go down the right path. He wants me to go down there. Down there. They are heading down there today. Yeah. So they are heading down to London now. They're going down to London, down the map. I won't be going down to Spain for a while. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Down there. Very good. So it can't go down the ladder. We can't. Yeah, don't drop anything down there. Don't drop anything down there. Whoop. Otherwise it's gone. Down there. They went down there last night. I was down at the pub last night. I'm going down to the basement. We should go down into the basement because it needs cleaning. It's cleaning. How cool is that? When he gets hit there, he will turn down the volume. Can you calm down? Yeah, too excited. Turn down the volume. It is too loud. Too loud. Yeah. Yeah. Follow the arrow down there. Down there. How cool is that? So down. Yeah. Now, can you use down in a sentence? Comment below and like the video and subscribe. More videos to come, more lessons on their way. How cool is that? And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.